What does it say? Happy birthday, it says inside the box. To August. Let's see what it says. Birthday boy, you're one today. Because you're so adorable. Because of all you mean. Because today is your birthday, the very first you've seen. This comes with hugs and kisses and wishes made with love. That life will always bring you all the things you're dreaming of. Love, Brenna and Audrina. Yay! Yay! Here we go. Let's open them. What is it? What is it, bud? Good job. Look at these. Oh, so cute. We love Carters. Oh, don't eat that. Oh, buddy. Carters. Little speedster. So cute. So cute. You'll have a little turtle on your bum. Wait, there's more. What's this? Help Mama. Wow, it's a puzzle. I bet you're gonna love puzzles. Neat. The worst part is always getting these open so you can try it. All right, why don't you work on this one while Mama opens that up. What'd you get? No. What's in there? It's fleecy. So cute. Oh, is that soft? That feels so soft. Oh, these are going to be great for when it gets cold here. Yeah. Yay! Now try your puzzle. Can you try it? Thank you so much, Brenna and Audrina.